In this fruit I was make two videos in my channel about this fruit. This fruit is looks so beautiful, but it's not for eat. You just can touch it and use it in other way, just like a poison. You can use it in a river to unconscious fishes, then you can easily catch them. But human body cannot be afford this poison, because this poison is harmful for human. But when it mix up in water, then human body can easily reduce it as a normal vitamin like this and all this. But this fruit is much more important for our nature, because birds and any other animals like beetles or something others animals can eat this for survive itself. For in this world are has everything for important. You guys can see this flower, this fruit is beautiful, and the tree is much more beautifuler than this fruit, because this tree has so many beautiful green leaf which make our environment more beautiful and greenery. So everything is has a value which is make itself important. I use this word much more because it's a use needed for this fruit. But when I pick one and break it in the inside of this fruit, so many beetles are use it for their born segment, with a male beetle and female beetle are meet together and release their egg on this fruit. You people can subscribe this channel for more video like this, because I was make some videos for flower, fruit, trees and other natural objects. So you will enjoy my videos for new updates. So subscribe this channel.